Okay. To retrieve your leads, just go to business dot facebook dot com. This will take you to the business manager account. So just search for the page you're trying to, retrieve your leads on. In this case, let's see. Just search for the particular page. All right. When you get to the page, click on it. Okay. So you want to come here to all tools. Click on all tools. Now you can either go under this advertise section, so instant forms or lead center. Click on lead center. You will be asked to agree to the terms of service, which you can agree to. After you've done that, your page, your lead data should start to load. Alright, so you just give it a few minutes and all your leads should start populating. So it's still loading. Now you can see that this is being populated, the raw lead section is being populated. Okay. Okay, while we wait for this to load, you can actually do something else, which is this all tools section. You can go to instant forms. This will show all the lead generation forms that you have created. For example, if you have 2 lead gen forms created and you want to download the leads that a particular lead gen form as generated, then you can just come here. This is a particular lead gen form, so just click on it. And I think before you can be able to download it, here it says it is restricted. It is restricted. I think I would need to do some more settings for that for you to be able to download it. Let me see. Okay, so that will mean one more settings. You can download it here. Okay, so it says download new leads, or you can connect it to your CRM. Maybe use MailChimp, HubSpot, Aruba, or any other one. So here you'll be downloading. So you have the option of downloading as a CSV or an Excel file. So okay, let's see. Download as CSV. Download as CSV. Okay, and then save it where you want. Save it in a particular folder that you want. And save. So there you have it. You have all your leads generated. You can then go back to where you have saved it, open it using Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel, and all the details that you've collected, you would have access to them. So that's just it. Thank you.